Get this. Sweet peach and nectar, amazing. I love it. I love it. And you know your sister's extra, so I love it. Okay? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into the new native line. Well, the new classic scents. So we're going to get into my thoughts. And if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, sis, bruh, cousin, auntie, we got the new native line. And now you all know. If you all don't know, ask somebody. But we love some native around here. Yo, sis love a good native body wash. And honey, they got new scents. Now let's go left. Let's spill the tea real quick.
Everything stops for tea.
Now, y'all, is Native watching? The tea is, Native must be watching this channel. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm not at, the high and mighty numbers of the thousands upon thousands of family members. But are they watching family? Because they came out with the new, not even a new, it's just back. She back, right? And if you are not new to this channel, I have talked about this cherry vanilla macaroon. And I kept telling you all, Native need to bring her back. She is the best cherry body wash I have ever smelled. I told you all that. And I said, anybody challenge me if you all have or know of another body wash, cherry body wash that smells better. Huh? You say something?
So do you think of something to say?
Ah, okay. Because I already told you I put that below, and I ain't seen nobody put no comment down below. But, yes, but they brought her back. So she is back, and did I order it? Of course. Of course I did.
Are there any left? There may be one. Okay, it's $500.
Shut up and take my money.
Now the thing is, how many bottles did I order?
All of them?
Y'all want to know how many bottles I ordered? Is that what y'all said? Did I order 3? What am I trying to babe? I ordered 3 cherry vanilla macaroons. And did? And your sis did. Okay, leave me alone. Now, okay. But yes, honey, I had to get backup on top of the backup and the backup. Because I didn't know if it was going to go away again. So, honey, I am so excited that is on the way. But let's get into these new classic scents that they have. Because I bought all 4. There is another one. Let me see. And it's called Coastal Oak and Amber. I did not get that. Do y'all want me to get that? Coastal Oak? Is that like a sea with the forest, with the trees? Is that a coastal watery oak bark?
What?
Scent? Maybe for a man? I don't know. I was gonna get it just because it had my name in it, but then I was like, that shouldn't be the reason why you spend your coins on something and you don't end up liking it. But I don't know. If you all want me to get it to just review, let me know. I will order it. No problem. I got y'all. But I didn't order it. Anyway, they have, and I posted about this baby right here. Okay? Sandalwood Shea Butter. We gonna start off with her. Okay? If y'all didn't go to my community tab or my reel that I'm trying to, don't know what I'm doing, posted. If y'all didn't see this, I'm sorry. I told y'all to run. And if it gets sold out because somebody other than me that has a bigger following gets a hold of this and then uses it and posts it on their channel and stuff and their social media, and I done told y'all to go, family, and get this, and then it's sold out, I'm not going to say I told you so, because that's not what we do around here. We're not going to say we told you so, but I'm going to just look at you.
What I tell you, man?
Come on, Petey, man.
I didn't know, man.
I told you. What you mean you didn't know? You think I was playing with you?
He ain't know, Petey.
Louis, he don't want to know.
Huh? What you want? What? Yes. But Sandalwood and Shea Butter, when I tell you it smells like a niche fragrance. And maybe because of that sandalwood, it's so niche, smelling, and comforting. Let's get that. Like it smells like a rich hug. Do you want a rich hug?
I think I'm in the right place.
Go get this so you can get your rich hug. This smell like you got all the money and all the money is hugging you and it's just fluttering down in the shower. Honey, I need y'all to don't even think about it. Get this. Cause I already got 2 more on the way. I said it, I got 2 more on the way.
Are you crazy? Is that your problem?
Ooh, honey, this is so good. Okay, so if you like a sandalwood, shea butter, rich, warm, niche, luxury type of body wash that smells up your entire shower experience or your bath experience, go ahead and cop this. Go and get this. Get this now. Because I took all this time to tell you all to go get this now. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have, honey, is it peach season? Is that what we doing for the spring, summer? They said we all want to be Georgia peaches for the peachy and the juiciness and everybody need a peach. Because Tree Hut, I can't even think. Tree Hut got a new peach scrub. I got that upstairs. We'll review that. Like, peach is coming out. We got peach fragrances. I mean, I think another niche company just got a peach fragrance. Peach is the thing, okay? Peach is here. So, since peach is coming out, you might as well get this sweet peach and nectar. Because it smells delicious. I mean, juicy peach. If you want to smell like a peach, you got peach fragrances and you like, I don't know what to pair with it. You just got the new Tree Hut peach scrub and you like, what am I going to use for my body wash? This is what you're going to use for your body wash. I got you. I just said that right here. I just said that. Get this. Sweet peach and nectar. Amazing. I love it. I love it. And you know your sister's extra, so I love it. Okay? And it's so good. Please get your hands on it. It's so juicy, so good. You will not be disappointed if you like a juicy juice running down your cheek type of peach scent. Get that. All right, moving on. Next up, I didn't think I was going to like her. I'm going to say it. I didn't think I was going to like her. I didn't think she was going to be up my alley. I didn't think I was going to be like, you good. I thought I was definitely going to come to y'all and be like, oh, nah, this is not what you want. But she surprised me, this aloe and green tea. Now, I'm not a tea person. You know, because I got that matcha meditation or something like that. Is that what it's called? From Replica. That is cool. I'm not gonna say it's not cool. It's alright. But I was expecting a little bit more, and it wasn't. But this is good. So, even if you don't like a tea scent, like me, right? Your sister like a cookie cutter cake scent, right? If you like a more sweeter scent, get this. This is a very sweet tea, and this is so good. Actually, this gives me like all the spa vibes, but it gives me a sweeter spa vibe, okay? I mean, I would get a backup of this. Yeah, I would. Like, no lie to you. This is really good. This would actually be good for the spring, summer, because if you want something light, nothing so heavy or whatever, but, you know, easy breezy, and you don't want anything like that smells like more sticky, and you like a fresh type of tea sweet scent, this is going to be so good for you. Like, highly recommend. This is good. Oh, Native said, we ain't playing with you. They said, who you talking to? With all these other body washes coming out with all they new little things. And they said, you talking to us? Even though we are a clean brand. Don't be fooled. Okay? Don't be fooled. Just because we coming up in here stepping clean. Okay. Soft face free. Okay. They ain't coming to play. So, y'all go ahead and get you some Native. Because this one is good too. Like, you see my eyes? Good. Get this. Moving on. And last, but certainly not least, we have Grapefruit and Bergamot. Okay. Hold up. Hold the phone. Hold up. Now, you have to love, when I'm saying not even like, you have to love a grapefruit scent. Like, it's at the top, grapefruit and bergamot. You have to love a grapefruit scent. Like, that is what's going to knock you in the face. Yeah, it's gonna knock you in the face. It's that red grapefruit. Like, not that thing that turns like a little peachy. I don't even know if is it ripe when it's the red. It's the red, like the pink grapefruit. That's what's called, I think. Pink grapefruit. The way that look and the way that smell, that's what this is. Okay? Pink grapefruit. You have to love that in the beginning. Now, the bergamot gives it more, to me, like this citrus feel. So, again, you have to like a pink grapefruit scent and citrus. This, to me, is not going to be for everybody. This, to me, tread lightly. Just buy one. If you wanted to test it, just buy one. But, yeah. This is not going to be for everybody. But I can see this being good in the spring, summer. Like, that season is going to be really good. But this is not going to be everybody's jam. But if you do like a citrus, if you do like a pink grapefruit scent, it's cool. I think it's pretty. Would I buy it again? No, I wouldn't buy it again. I'm not going to buy this again, but I think it is pretty. And I love a good bergamot, right? I love bergamot in my fragrances. Absolutely love it. I think this would be a great pairing. This is very loud. Projecting, like pink grapefruit right there. Right there in front of you. It's very juicy. So definitely gives you that flair, but it's not going to be for everybody. So tread light. And if you like the notes that I just said, great. This is you. If you don't like a pink grapefruit, don't even look at this. You're not going to like it. Okay? But it's pretty. It's pretty. It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Moving on. So, if I were to rank, y'all know the ranking. Let's go through this quick because y'all know the ranking. I always do the ranking, but y'all know it. So, Sandalwood and Shea Butter, get this. I already told y'all that 100 times. Okay, great. Get that. I definitely would then, number 2 would be the sweet peach and nectar because I just love a juicy peach. Like, that's just my jam, definitely, you know? Aloe and green tea would be next. That would be number 3. And then the grapefruit and bergamot, it's number 4. It wouldn't be a repurchase, but she cute. Shy. I keep saying she cute, but okay. Well, that is all, family. That is all for my native review and thoughts. Hey, are you thinking about getting some of these native products? I will tell you what is definitely top on my list that I don't have it right here, right now, but I did order 3 is that cherry vanilla macaroon. Now, you get that. Get that Sandalwood, get that, okay, before it sells out, okay? But just to let you all know, some tea, at the end, that when I went to the native site, I used, and I don't know if you can still use it, but I used this, so Sage 4, so SAGE 4. I used that for a promotional discount, and it has worked multiple times. So don't tell nobody our business, because we gatekeep in the family. If you in the family, you already know we gatekeep in the family. We don't be telling everybody our business. We don't do that around here. But I was able to get 20% off. Yeah, you heard me. 20% off. So if you want to try some of these new native products, go to the native site, type in SAGE 4. Hopefully it works. Get you 20% off, sis, and keep it pushing, keep it going. Because we all about to save the money. So we can save money. Cool. And this is not a sponsored video. So Native did not give me that code. So I don't get paid for none of that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just a lover and a consumer, of course. And just giving y'all my tea of how I purchased this. Okay. Well, that is all, family. That is all for this native haul. What do you all think? Comment down below. Subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Share this video. I would love more people to join this family. And until next time, you all be good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. All right, family. I love you. Bye.